So we'll formally begin this Teachers' Day celebration with a short prayer. I'd like to call upon Sharia of Grade 5 to say the prayer. All are requested to rise.
All join your hands, close your eyes, and please bow your heads. O dear good shepherd, my God and my light, be with me always, day and night. Teach me to do what's good and right, and always keep me within thy sight. Amen.
All right, so we'll start off with a welcome address presented by, what's your name? Kanishk Magesh. Please clap.
Kevin, behave here. Welcome.
Thank you. Okay,
Wait,
so now.
no, wait. Not yet done. Welcome was part. Wait. Welcome first. Okay. Okay. Jokes aside, I'd like to take this opportunity to first welcome our president, Mr. Jacob Thomas, our senior vice president, Mrs. Sarah Jacob, student and staff welfare, our headmistress, Mrs. Deepa Suresh, our coordinators, teachers, students. Do you all need? No, extra fitting. Let just you guys be aside. Teachers. Welcome to your Teachers' Day locally because nationally it got over. Anyways, you get the point. So, teachers, welcome to your special day. Like I said, I gave you all the disclaimer. It wasn't for any AFL points or any IAs, EEs feedbacks. So, please, not day but few hours. Yeah, sorry. Not day but few hours. We hope that we try to put up our best performances for you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thank you. First up, we have Agam. He'll be delivering a speech. Agam from grade 4.
Good evening, everyone. My teachers and my fellow students. I'm Ayagam from grade 4 and here to represent all the PS students. I'm very excited and proud that I've got the opportunity to show my gratitude towards all my teachers. My teachers comprise of Maya Miss, my dorm parent, my tutor Anuradha Miss, and all the wonderful teachers in the PS block. Now, do not think I'm buttering. And these people have helped me in a lot of ways. They helped me settle down in the school. They helped me stay comfortable in the school and they made me feel safe in the school. And as I am a new student who joined GSS this July, being new to a residential school, adjusting in my initial days, I had challenges. My behavior needed a change, and I must say that all the teachers who have took my back in this behavioral change journey. A heartfelt salute to them. I noticed the change and I'm loving the new version of me. And so, on this note, I wish each one of you a happy Teachers' Day.
Come on. Was there a cuter way to start this performance? I don't think so.
Can we get another round of applause?
Up next, we have another speech by a grade 7 student, Moksha. I'd like to call Moksha up on the stage.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Moksha from grade 7. Today, I have a special message to convey to all our dear teachers. Respected teachers, I stand before you today to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you as we celebrate Teachers' Day. A teacher is not just a guide, but a mentor, a friend, and a source of inspiration and motivation. Their patience, wisdom, and unwavering support has shaped us all into better individuals. Many important people, if it weren't for their teachers, they wouldn't have been where they are now. I would like to take this wonderful opportunity to wish all the teachers who are rendering their never ending and valuable service toward education globally each and every day a very happy Teachers' Day. They strive hard to uplift every student to achieve greater heights in their lives. I quote, "A great teacher improves hope, ignites imagination, and instills a love for learning." I unquote. Thank you to all the teachers who believe in us when we don't. Once again, happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Moksha, for that amazing speech.
Check. Okay, just so you'll know, we are not having any discussions, anything. It's just that we don't have any scripts, MCs. So we don't know how to introduce. But put your hands up for grade 7. We have a dance performance.
Gentlemen, are you ready? One, go.
Got him! Got him!
ஏய் நாடா இது சப்பா பீட்டு கொளுத்துக்கடா மஜாப்பா இதா ஏய் ரெடிடா வாடா பார்ட்டி கம்மிங் ஓகே
Why are you crying?
Hey.
Oh, shit! All right!
రాజమండ్రి రాగమంజరి మాయమ్మ పేరు తలవనోళ్ళు లేరు మేస్తిరి కళాకారుల ఫ్యామిలీ మరి నే గజ్జ కడితే నిద్రపోదు విందు రాత్రి
కుర్చీని మార్తా పెట్టి
That I think what
కుర్చీని మార్తా పెట్టి
If you are bad, I am your dad.
Yeah, man, I think Rachel's beautiful because she's got good brains.
I am the one your son don't need a gun to get me. आलमा डोलमा ऐसा लंगड़ी मालमा तेरी गली जिन्हें क्रैकी उठा सालमा अरिकल गरिकल कोते उठा गलगले पलचिन बल बलक मिटा मेल लोकले टमगना टुमगना टोला कटा टुमगना टुमगना टुमगली यति पोना यनगिना अड़कना मुर्गना तोटयता यरगना इरकना सरगना उंडेंदा उलगिना अलमा डोलमा अलमा डोलमा ऐसा लंगड़ी मालमा तेरी गली जिन्हें क्रैकी उठा सालमा अरिकल गरिकल कोते उठा गलगले पलचिन बल बलक मिटा मेल लोकले
എടാ മോനെ
കുത്ത് ഹരിശ്രീ തോക്കിൻ കാഞ്ചി വലി ശീലം പണ്ടേ മാറാത്ത വ്യാധി നെഞ്ചിൽ പൂട്ടി വച്ചോരംഗക്കലി തീരാത്ത വാശി അണ്ണൻ മീശ വെച്ചോരാട്ട പുലി ഇടയാങ്ങുന്നൊരുക്കും നിന്നൊരുക്കും പണ്ടേ യാവത്ത് കട്ടച്ചോര കൊണ്ട് ജ്യൂസടിച്ച് സോഡ സർവത്ത് നുടിൽ മതയാനെ നെരുക്കിടും കരുത്ത് ഇവനെ പടച്ചു വിട്ട കടവുലത്തെ പത്തിൽ പത്ത്
Wait a minute. Who are you? Disrespect my name and watch it's time to end the fisticuffs. You may think it's fun and games, but my message and time is up. Who got the candle locked? Infrared in the dark, bang bang, which take aim on the dot. Call it the listener come. Running with King Kong when it's rain down like it's thunder. Ready or not, she got the clock, she'll put you under. You know we game time on the front line till it's over. Even the trenches for ya, like a soldier. Like a soldier.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.
What?
Performance! Can you all just clap louder, guys? Come on!
I don't think you guys clapped enough. Okay, could all the PS teachers raise your hands? PS teachers, PS.
There are only 3 PS teachers.
I guess we have to use all of you guys. Could all the PS teachers please come?
All the MS teachers, raise your hand, please. MS teachers. Not students, teachers. MS teachers. Yeah. Come on, teachers. I'm sorry, we can't leave you all alone today, so can we have you all up here, please? Relax, it's not a dance or anything. It's not a dance or any singing or any performance. Can we have you all up here, please? Sir, please. It's not a dance or a singing performance.
By the way, it's even the PYP and MYP teachers also.
Yeah, wait, shit, we have IB. The Even the PYP and the MYP teachers. Can we please have your love? Please.
Please, just 3 teachers. Come on.
Teachers, please, your students are asking so much. Just one thing.
All right. So this is the PS side. This is the MS side. PYP side slash PS side. MIP slash MS side. We're going to play a classic game of dumb charades.
But, there's a small change. There are no movies, there are no songs. The teachers have to choose a teacher among the audience that the students know about to enact them.
Big brainstorming session happening on both sides.
Here I'm some intense team talks.
Ooh, intense talks. Please do not disturb them from brainstorming. Please let them brainstorm.
Guys, quiet.
Okay, so their plans are. Shh. 10 seconds on the clock. Yalla. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
If you're ready, you come first.
4, 3. Come.
First.
Ooh, okay, so the MS teachers have a chance first. Okay, so PS teachers, you guys have 30 seconds to guess who he's
One second.
enacting.
Before that, students, if you all know the answer, please, you're not shouting it out. Okay? If they miss it, we'll give you all a chance, but you're not shouting out the answers. Can I get a thumbs up? Thank you. Okay, so you all have 45 seconds to guess the teacher. Let me know when you're ready. 45 seconds. Yes, it's according to that. No speaking, no pointing out also to teachers. Then they'll get to know. No?
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, begin.
Start.
You can just blurt out answers. Come on. One guess should be right.
You have 5 seconds on the clock. And your time is up.
Okay, student
Right,
guesses.
one guess. One guess.
All right, one
We're
guess.
taking one guess.
English teacher.
Specifics.
Is it Rekha Miss?
Rekha Miss. Sadly.
No. Okay,
Students.
one guess on the students. Wait, 1 second. Before that, do any of the teachers want to guess? Yes, Praveen sir.
Jay,
Yes.
get it right. Oh
Yes,
my
Subhash
God.
sir.
What a surprise. All right, now we have the PS teacher. By the way, it was Sumanta sir. Sumanta sir, could you get a clap? They've come.
They come. Miss, pity them, miss. Please, pity them. It's okay.
You guys are leading by 1 point. Come on.
Valid, miss.
Valid point. All right, 45 seconds on the clock.
Your
time starts now.
Students, please.
Sudarshan sir.
Is that the right answer?
Wait. I didn't say that's right.
Yeah, wait.
Do you want to lock in that answer? You want to lock in? Okay. If I'm not wrong, they are right.
So you'll have a special surprise that will come out in the end. So that was the twist, not the game. Can we have a huge round of applause for all the teachers here?
All right. Up next, we have a performance by the next grade. Could anyone tell what's the next grade? What? 8th grade. 8th grade. How did you guys figure that out? Oh, you guys are smart. Who taught you? The teacher. Say thank you to them. Okay, so up next we have the grade 8 performance. Please give a round of applause.
Everything that kills me makes me feel alive. I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars.
शक्ल से अकल का मारा है रे तू लड़के और लड़के कहाँ से आया है रे तू प्यारा है शक्ल से अकल का मारा है रे तू
हाँ चल गई मेरी बातों से तू चल गई हाँ खल गई तुझे खल गई मेरी बेपरवाही खल गई ओ तरवा तू किस खेत की मूली है जरा बता
टीवी पे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज हर मेरा घाघरा है बगदाद से लेके दिल्ली आगरा टीवी पे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज हर मेरा घाघरा है बगदाद से लेके दिल्ली आगरा
नजर चार जिंदगी में होता है सबको एक बार इश्क विश्क प्यार प्यार इश्क विश्क प्यार प्यार I believe in love love I believe in प्यार प्यार
आए आए ਉਹ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਉੱਚੀਆਂ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਰੱਬੋ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆ ਪਰ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਾਲੀ ਜੱਚਦੀ ਲੱਕ ਤੇ ਗੁੱਚੀ ਦਾ ਬੈਲਟ ਤੂੰ ਪਾਇਆ ਜੱਟਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੁੜਤਾ ਨਾ ਬਸ ਪਾਇਆ ਵੇ ਅਲੱਗੀ ਟੌਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਉਹ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਉੱਚੀਆਂ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਰੱਬੋ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆ ਪਰ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਾਲੀ ਜੱਚਦੀ ਲੱਕ ਤੇ ਗੁੱਚੀ ਦਾ ਬੈਲਟ ਤੂੰ ਪਾਇਆ ਜੱਟਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੁੜਤਾ ਨਾ ਬਸ ਪਾਇਆ ਵੇ ਅਲੱਗੀ ਟੌਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ
हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 लिया कुड़ी ने दिल साडा हाले थोड़ा साफ जा नहीं लगदा इरादा पुत बाली लंबी नहीं रखी है मुट्टे यार ने है दिखदा परांदा नहीं हो देखदा पराडा
Kevin, could you do that Tauba Tauba?
What?
Can you do Tauba Tauba?
I'll try.
Nah, okay. Sure. Guys, can we please give it up for the Vicky Kaushals on the stage? Okay, now moving on to HS. Relax, teachers, we are not calling you now, so y'all can chill.
I know all of you had a heartbeat. I know.
But doesn't mean we are leaving you there. We're not.
Okay, up next we have
Suvit.
Suvit Jain of grade 10 doing his speech.
Please give it up for
Please
Suvit.
clap.
Okay, so happy Teachers' Day to all. And good evening to one and all present here. I am Suvit Jain from grade 10. And today I have the honors of addressing the root of our development, our teachers. Now, let's be honest. Teachers are superheroes, but instead of capes, they wield red pens. Instead of sword, they have a chalk. The word teacher is synonymous for so many things. A tutor, a mentor, a subject teacher, a table teacher, a dorm parent, and most of all, a friend. Our teachers play a pivotal role in shaping our futures personally and professionally. They inspire, guide, and believe in us, even when we are not at our best some days. Because let's face it, some days are a real struggle. They have stood by us through such tough times, and they're just not our mentors, but the driving force behind our abilities to persevere through hardships and failures. Today, as we stand on the threshold of a new chapter in our lives, we are acutely aware that our achievements and accomplishments are a testament to the tireless efforts of our teachers. They've been the catalyst of our growth, the pillars of support in times of adversity, and the beacons of inspiration that have propelled us ahead. Teachers are not just individuals who impart knowledge, they are role models who guide us through the complexities of life. They ignite the spark of curiosity within us, encouraging us to explore, question, and learn. Their influence extends far beyond the classrooms as they instill values, discipline, and a love for learning. A teacher's impact can be seen in the way we think, act, and approach challenges in our lives. At the end of our lives, most of us end up with no more than 5 to 6 people who have truly made a difference to us. Whereas our teachers have 1,000 students in particular who will remember them and forever be grateful. I want every teacher here seated in this auditorium to know that you have created lasting impact on each and every student you've taught, even spoke to for even mere minutes. You are a part of who they are. And while everyone may say that our generation makes up the future, teachers, you are the ones who are building the foundation upon that very future depends. So let's give our teachers a thunderous round of applause, because if they can survive our shenanigans, they can survive anything. Thank you for your dedication, your patience, and your unwavering belief in Happy Teachers' Day to all wonderful educators here today, and hope you enjoy this eventful evening.
Hi.
We're back.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you're not excited, so we're just gonna call the next.
You guys don't want us, no? Next is grade 10. Grade 10 dance.
Put your hands for grade 10, guys.
Hey, இங்க நான் தான் கிங் நான் வச்சதா ரூல்ஸ் ஹொக்கம் டைகர் கா ஹொக்கம்
Don't try to play the fool with me, Nigesh. No, it's very bad.
నేనటంటి దండాడదాన్ని కాదు బావో పలసరు బైకు మీద రార బాబా నేనటంటి దండాడదాన్ని కాదు బావో పలసరు బైకు మీద రార బాబా
రాపమ్మా ఈ డిక్ చిక్ కాకుండా మన మ్యూజిక్ ఏమైనా ఉందా
அபிராமியே தாலாட்டும் சாமியே நான் தானே தெரியுமா சிவகாமியே சிவனில் நீயும் பாதியே அதுவும் உனக்கு புரியுமா
இது சப்பா பீட்டு கொடுத்துக்கடா
Mama
தமிழ் தெரியாதா ஹிந்தில
One second.
पूनम के चांद को घूंघट के नीचे छुपा के लाई तेरे लिए दुनिया से नजरें चुरा के
पीछे कुआं आगे मेरे खाई तू ही बता जाऊं मैं कहाँ मुझको दुआ किसकी लगी भाई आके पधारा हूँ जो यहाँ
हिले फिकर आजा इधर बीट पे लगा ले तू ठुमका
1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor
1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor
boot shake tap on the hardcore show down hit it party hit it gimme 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 gimme
कौन जा तेरे लिए अरे झुमका भी मैं भूल गई जाने जा तेरे लिए अरे मैं तो सब कुछ भूल गई जाने जा तेरे लिए तेरे लिए तेरे लिए तेरे लिए
फिर क्या हुआ
अरे छोड़ छाड़ गए अपने सलीम की गली ओए होए छोड़ छाड़ गए अपने सलीम की गली अनारकली डिस्को चली अरे छोड़ छाड़ गए अपने सलीम की गली अनारकली डिस्को चली अरे देख के तुझको मुझको मची ले खलबली अनारकली डिस्को चली चली रे चली डिस्को चली अनारकली डिस्को चली
ओ नीवी नीवी आंखों को झुका के रख ले गोरे गोरे गालों को छुपा के रख ले ओ नीवी नीवी आंखों को झुका के रख ले गोरे गोरे गालों को छुपा के रख ले एवें करी ना की ओ एवें करी ना किसे दे नाल प्यार मुंडिया तो बच के रही तू हुणे हुणे होई मुटियार मुंडिया तो बच के रही तू हुणे हुणे होई मुटियार मुंडिया तो बच के रही
उड़न छू छू मैं चिड़िया फिरंगी बलम तू देसी मौसम्बी उड़न छू छू मैं चिड़िया फिरंगी बलम तू देसी मौसम्बी
दिल की आदतें बंदर छाप है खाली पीली छत पे चढ़े चढ़ के उतर जाए हरदम मोड़ में लल्लन टाप है
जिंदगी में गिनता है 1 2 3 4 5
चल धतिंग नाच
Well, that was an amazing performance. Can we have a bigger round of applause?
Can I see the grade 9 students please put their hand up? Grade 9 students. Oh, they're up there. Dear teachers, we are very sorry to inform you that your grade 9s do not love you. They did not put up a performance for you. So sad. So, y'all can take revenge however you want. That is all up to you. Y'all cannot talk. Y'all cannot talk.
Please, please.
Please. Y'all cannot
Please
talk.
say Happy Teachers Day won't make it up to them, please.
Yes.
Teachers, you're free
Teachers,
to give whatever
don't
you want to
forget
them.
this. Get them back. Don't. You're not leaving it here.
Believe in revenge.
Midterm exams. Thank you, miss. Midterm exams. All the best, guys.
Well, on that very sad but happy note.
Happy for HSS.
Happy for HSS though.
Because next up,
we have. Oh, I have to say. Okay. Grade 11.
Before the dance, thank you guys, but before the dance, we have a speech by Tisha. Can we please have a huge round of applause?
Good evening, everyone present here. Today, we gather here to celebrate a profession that shapes minds of millions, a profession that bridges the gap between dreams and reality, a profession that becomes the backbone of inspiration for every individual, the heroes of our little world, our teachers. Everyone knows school can be a roller coaster of emotions filled with ups and downs, but our teachers are the ones who've been there with us through all of it. Being from learning algebra to learning the mere importance of turning in an assignment of time, even though that can sometimes extend to sometimes this week, miss. But I want you to think about a person who truly made an impact in your life, a teacher who believed in you when you didn't. Someone who made the class after lunch seem like it was out of a Netflix movies. It's no secret. All of us have been a part of the race to the English lab before a certain someone's class, or the one quiz master who all of us know, who bribes us with chocolates every year to yell out, "Audience answers, please." This one teacher who I'm thinking about right now, his physics classes are never boring. What is the module of zero, guys? Lol. There is this one person in the HSS block whose office all of us have slept in at least once to bunk maths. Guess who? Now, let us take a moment to reflect upon the dedication and hard work put behind everything teachers do for us. They spend countless hours preparing lessons, finding ways to make classes engaging, and even understanding us, or our handwriting, which in itself deserves an applause. These mere moments never go unnoticed. Their commitments are truly what makes this school a home away from home. So, on this auspicious day, let us all express our heartfelt gratitude to all of our teachers. Thank you for being patient with us. Thank you for understanding us. Thank you for never giving up on us. And thank you for inspiring us to dream big. Your impact on our school community is immeasurable. Let us show them our appreciation, not only today, but every day. Let us strive to make them proud by excelling in sports and studies, pursuing our passion, and becoming the best versions of ourselves. Thank you, and a very happy Teachers' Day once again.
Please put your hands together for grade 11.
ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਲਲਾਰੀਆ ਵੇ ਆ ਲੋਕ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਹੱਸਦੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦੇ ਦੇ ਦੂੰਗੀ ਮੈਚਿੰਗ ਕਰ ਦੇਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ ਸੁਣ ਲਾ ਵੀ ਰਿੱਟੂ ਸਿਮ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਆਲਾ ਫੋਟੋ ਵੇ ਫਰਾਰੀ ਲਾਲ ਦੀ ਚੁੰਨੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਰੰਗ ਦੇ ਲਲਾਰੀਆ ਵੇ ਚੁੰਨੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਰੰਗ ਦੇ ਲਲਾਰੀਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਚੁੰਨੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਰੰਗ ਦੇ ਲਲਾਰੀਆ ਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਪੰਗੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਸੋਚਾਂ ਕੁੰਡਲਾਂ ਪਵਾ ਲਵਾਂ ਸੋਚਾਂ ਸ਼ਰੇਆਮ ਹੋ ਜਾ ਸੋਚਦੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਗੁੱਟੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਬੈਠ
നാടിൻ നന്മകനെ പൊന്മകനെ മുത്തായവനെ നിന്നും സൂര്യനും ചന്ദ്രനും ഒന്നായവനെ കാലം കാത്ത് വച്ച രക്ഷകനെ സംഹാരകനെ ഞങ്ങൾ കണ്ണനായി വന്നവനെ ഭയമേ മാറിപ്പോ നീ അണ്ണൻ വന്നാൽ തുമ്പിട്ട് നെല്ല് ഇരുട്ടിൽ സിറ്റി വാഴും രാജാവുക്ക് എല്ലാരും സുല്ല് ഇവനെ തൊഴുവാനായി ജനത്തിരക്ക് കാലം എടുത്തു വച്ചാൽ സ്വർഗം പോലും മണ്ടപ്പെട്
சரி ஏதோ கருத்து சொல்றேன்னு சொன்னீங்களே அதையாவது சொல்லுங்க கேட்போம்.
மை கருத்து வாட் இஸ் ஐம் சேயிங்
Strictly no dance. Strictly no dance.
This worldwide to infinity. You know the roof on fire. We go boogie, oogie, oogie, jiggle, wiggle, and dance like the roof on fire. We go dance and take shots until we fall out like the roof on fire. Now, baby, get my booty naked, take off all your clothes and light the roof on fire. Tell her, baby, 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 I'm on fire. I tell her, baby, 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 I'm a fireball.
Well, that was crazy energetic, right? Can you give them another round of applause? Last but not least.
Hey, it's not last.
Okay, not least.
Just get to it.
We have a rock band
BB
performed
Boys.
by our own batch.
The BB Boys.
The BB Boys.
To take you back to the 90s, can you please welcome the BB Boys? We'd really love if you'd sing along with them. Please give them a big hand.
Even though they have mics, they won't be loud enough. We need all of you guys to sing along with them. All right?
Guys, before we start, I would like to make an announcement. This band was created under 3 hours, so don't expect too much. But I hope you guys enjoy it. And this is for my teachers and our 90s Kishore Kumar lovers. नीले नीले अंबर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हम तरसाए ऐसा कोई साथी हो ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए नीले नीले अंबर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत जब चूमते हैं अंबर को प्यासा प्यासा अंबर जब चूमता है सागर को ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत जब चूमते हैं अंबर को प्यासा प्यासा अंबर जब चूमता है सागर को प्यार से कसने को बाहों में बसने को दिल मेरा ललचाए कोई तो आ जाए ऐसा कोई साथी हो ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए गालों को छू जाए, ठंडे ठंडे झोंके जब गालों को सहलाए, तपती तपती किरणें जब गालों को छू जाए, सांसों की गर्मी को हाथों की नरमी को मेरा मन तरसाए, कोई तो छू जाए, ऐसा कोई साथी हो, ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो, प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए। ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। दूर रहती है तू मेरे पास आती नहीं, होठों पे तेरे कभी प्यास आती नहीं, ऐसा लगे जैसे कि तू हंस के जहर कोई पिए जाए। शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। बात जब मैं करूं मुझे रोक देती है क्यों, तेरी मीठी नजर मुझे रोक देती है क्यों, तेरी हया तेरी शर्म तेरी कसम मेरे होठ लिए जाए। शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। We would like to thank our teachers, Vishnu sir, John sir, and Nikhil sir for making this event possible. Thank you, teachers.
Guys, come on. I'm sure that you look like engineering dropouts, but you all can give a bigger round of applause. Now you can say last but not least.
I thought we were done.
No, we're not. This
Yeah,
is what they're
something
waiting
left?
for. They're waiting for something.
Oh, all of you waiting for us, no? Please say yeah. Say yeah.
So, last but not the least, we have the grade 12. That's it, no?
Dance. Dance. We have
Give
the
it up for grade
dance.
12.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. आज की फ्लाइट में आप सबका स्वागत है। हमारा क्रू आपका बहुत ख्याल रखेगा, लेकिन आपसे एक निवेदन है कि अपनी चोली टाइटली बांध लें ताकि दिल बाहर ना गिर जाए।
जोगी आवे मैनू इत्थों दूर ले जा तू, सीने विचों दिल करे दम गुटू, मुंदरा पवा के नाले मज्जियां चरा के, मुंदरा पवा के नाले मज्जियां चरा के, कीता जीना मुश्किल तू मेरा।
चुरा लो मैं हूँ fresh. चलिया 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 stop. चलिया 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 रूह चुरा लो मैं ऐसी चलिया 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 ओ चलिया हाथ ना मैं ऐसी चलिया चलिया चलिया
Girls like to swing. जरा आगे निकल के नए रंगों में ढल के अंदाज बदल के मस्ती में है जीना जीवन रस पीना.
सर झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार चक दे अंधेरा चांद जला दे बल्ब बना के फिक्र न करियो करना भी क्या है बिजली बचा के सारे आम पिला खुशी के जाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार
मुझको क्या हुआ है क्यों मैं खो गया हूँ पागल था मैं पहले या अब हो गया हूँ
ऐसी है निगाहें और बिखरे हैं बाल तुमने बनाया है क्या अपना ये हाल
कोई मिल गया मेरा दिल गया क्या बताऊँ यारो मैं तो हिल गया कोई मिल गया मिल ही गया मिल ही गया
कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये जमाना बिगड़े दुनिया बिगड़ने भी दो झगड़े दुनिया झगड़ने भी दो लड़े जो दुनिया लड़ने भी दो हम अपनी धुन में गाओ दुनिया रूठे रूठने दो बंधन टूटे टूटने दो कोई छूटे छूटने दो ना घबराओ
हम है नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना हम है नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं आज जमीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं अगलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रह पर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है All the hot girls put your hands up and
Grade 11. Grade 11. I hope you are paying attention. All the teachers who didn't come this time, make sure they come for yours. You better make sure.
Double, promise. Let's see.
Done.
Teachers, if you all want to take notes for Children's Day, you may. Like, we don't mind. No copyrights, no patents. We hear the laughs, sir. Let's see on Children's Day.
We won't be offended
It's
if
a
you
dance
steal
off.
our performances. We know how good our moves are.
Sadly, the event has to come to an end. So, Kevin will be doing the vote of thanks. Can we have a huge round of applause?
All right. I don't have any set piece ready, so just come off the top of my head. So first, I would like to thank Mr. Dominic sir, without whom this whole thing wouldn't have been possible. I would like to thank Jacob sir, Sarah ma'am, Suresh sir, Deepa miss, all the coordinators, and I would like to especially thank Miss Elsama ma'am for coming and blessing this occasion. I would like to thank the students who put in all of their night preps, which they could have studied otherwise. Thank you so much, students, for putting in such an amazing performance. I would like to thank Shashi sir and Jackson sir, our campus managers, who made sure that we have everything that we need. And I'd like to thank the sound team, Mr. Sam sir and his whole team, without whom this would just be blank and it would just be people dancing and you'd only hear shoes moving around. Finally, I would like to thank the teachers for coming here when they could just go back home and relax. Thank you for being here for us, without whom, if they were not here, there would be no reason to have this performance. We hope you genuinely enjoyed and not just here because you're asked to be here. Thank you, everyone.